Hey guys,
welcome back to our
channels.
So we are recording two things because we both have a YouTube channel, and we're gonna make it our sister account. So today we're going to be doing a couple things. We're gonna be reviewing kinetic sand. We're gonna be mixing these two slimes,
And then we're mixing this with
what
what?
we're doing is we're doing a review of this slime we got from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, we're just gonna see how it is. We got it the other day, so yeah, let's go see how it is. So first, let's do the review. No, first let's do the slime mixing before we get like solid.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Alright, I just did another video on my channel.
We're just gonna roll it out real quick.
Yeah, what we're gonna do is roll it out, and then what we're gonna do is
We're gonna put it together and then twist it.
yes. I did another video of the channel of us not making them, but we made them earlier. All right, ready? So, now do this, and we're gonna swirl it up
Like a little, what's it called?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Ready? So what we're gonna do now
We're
is
just gonna poke it.
spread it.
It looks like cotton candy right now.
Oh my god, look at the color. It's so cute.
Mine's better.
You can see it.
No, show mine.
Yeah.
Mine's more shiny.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
And if we want, we can add like some more stuff to it.
If you want to add more color, it depends what color it's gonna end up as. It's almost like mixing a giant slime.
Yeah, literally.
Totally.
This is my first video. Okay.
Looks like it's like, I don't even know if it's gonna change. It looks like it's gonna be like a purple. Like you can see, it's gonna be like a light purple. Go page, can you go find like a purple food coloring? Coloring.
Coloring? I don't think we have purple, but to mix.
Go upstairs and get food.
Wait, no, I think we do.
Yeah, because like you want to get food coloring because like the color right now is just like a light purple.
Wait, where is it?
White. Oh, it's like
Stupid.
white. So you're gonna just add a color. Is that purple? That's
Yeah, that is purple. So shut up.
Alright.
I can't get back.
Alright, ready? We're gonna add the dye.
No, wait, put it in the hole.
Wait, first we're gonna separate it and we're each gonna do
Yeah, we're each gonna put a little piece in.
this right.
Wait,
Do
it's turned white. How does that look? It literally turned white, but like a bluish color, kind of. We're only adding a little. We're not adding a lot.
Like my face.
That doesn't look like a face.
It's like an injured face.
Yes, like somebody about to die.
Oh, I'm so sad about Cameron from Jesse dying. It's so sad.
This should go be purple.
Don't forget to check out our TikToks. Mads, my username is Mads Monster 2.
Mine is Christina0986, I think. Probably. Wait, mine's turning pink. It says purple.
It's probably just turning pink because it's like light.
Yeah, it's probably light purple. Let's see. It's bad lighting. We have bad lighting.
Yeah, we're in our basement.
The basement has awful lighting. If it turns pink, we're just gonna have unicorn slime.
We should make a unicorn slime.
Mine looks like marble. This is my marble slime.
Later on, we're going to be doing a Visco room tour.
Yeah.
Because we just got a Visco room today. Shout out to our mom, who has been helping us with that. She's really nice. I love my mom. And we have a bunch of scrunchies that we can show you.
Yeah. I am a total mess today. I've been falling downstairs and falling everywhere I went. So
there's actually
now I'm just making messes.
A little hilarious, but not to be mean, just a little.
Just a little. And when I flew down the stairs, I was laughing very hard. Mine's just pink. Pinky marble color.
This dye is halfway done.
Because we have been using it. meat.
She's a hot mess. Paige has been getting food out all over the table. Like, I don't want my mom to know. So, like,
Oh no, it's on me. Come on.
I'm the only
We're not
person
even
that's-
taking a shower today, so that sucks.
Next, we're gonna be doing the reviews. Alright, so I think that's enough coloring.
Yes.
Let's combine them.
oh.
Let's both combine them.
Wait, you should make yours blue.
No.
And then we could just add them together again.
Alright, so she's gonna mix them while I do the noise putty review. So it's a noise putty Masic Snore. Alright, so let's see. Ew. Alright, that's kinda gross. Ew. Ew. I mean, it is putty. It's like jiggling. Ew, that just flopped out. It's like, I promise you, we never had this before.
Ew.
Smack in the butt.
Is that poopy?
It's like jiggly. How do I dye myself? This is so weird.
Okay, I'm done mixing it.
It's like that.
This is what it looks like. Because I'm done
It's
mixing.
so weird.
I'll show you guys. I'm done mixing it, so this is what it looks like.
I mean, putty's a little bit so stretched, like silly putty. It doesn't even look like a swirl. Alright, Paige, do a swirl, and I'm going to do a swirl compared to this.
I need one more.
It is good to form, I guess. It's very satisfying to like stretch with. Alright. So, do a swirl, Paige. Okay,
1 second, I'm not even close to
wait. Roll it out more. So like you go center and roll it out. Like do.
I will do.
So I have it. And now I'm gonna roll it out and screw it out. Okay, let's go then. Alright, Paige, do yours before it starts melting or something. I'm gonna put like
This is my awful swirl.
try again. Alright, I'll do it.
And I'll do this one.
No, I already did that, but
This is hard to fold.
it's kinda easy though.
No, it isn't. Don't say it's easy.
And this is butter slime.
This is not a bit stretchy. I wish putty was stretchy. It would be easy. Okay, this is my swirl. Quick.
And this is my swirl.
Compared
Compared to this,
This is awesome.
this is just thick, but the quality of this one is way better, even though it's homemade. Like, you would have thought store-bought
It's not.
You would have thought store-bought slime is way better, like than your own
Homemade?
slime. Like, I mean, I beg to differ.
Oh, let's start doing this.
I like my own slime. All right, now we're gonna do the review of the kinetic sand. All right, let's take the first.
And a little later, we're going to be adding some kinetic sand to this and see what it does. I am. We may. It's a possibility. We may just end early.
Oh my god, they're so dry. There's some dry spots in the slime.
Okay. So, I'm going to be putting this slime
Where's the cat?
aside.
I'm throwing this out. This is horrible. It's horrible.
Okay, so now the review of
The kinetic
This goes.
sand slime. It's not slime, but. Alright, now we're gonna add some kinetic sand. I mean, I love kinetic sand. Like, it's
We're
not
gonna
like,
split this.
you know, Well, it's not like Connexins new to me. This is a different kind that we put in.
So we're just gonna be.
Add some Connexins to this.
I'm gonna add.
Maybe it's like cloud. We turn into a
I'm adding
cloud.
this stuff. I'm just adding.
Adding this.
Oh, ew.
Things kind of like not stiff.
It's kind of giving like. Ooh, that feels good, kind of. Right. Mine's getting like kind of. I don't know. It's not really doing anything.
I don't like it. You can have it. It's
I'm
very
gonna-
gross.
I'm gonna be adding, seeing what is gonna happen if I add.
Alright, so her video is going to continue, and I'm going to be ending the video early, so peace. Love you.